Hey, what up beauties? Your girl Dimepiece back with another tutorial with RastAfri's Bohemian Curl 3X. So it comes with 3 bundles in each pack. The color that I'm going to wear is F1B27. Wanted some brown highlights. So I'm going to show you the packaging or what you can look for at your local beauty supply store. It looks just like this. Also, it has directions and care instructions on how to take care of the hair, even different ideas to create the perfect protective hairstyle. So let's see how the hair looks. So again, this is the Bohemian Curl 3X from RastAfri. It's available in so many colors. I just love how this hair feels. It's super soft, super curly, so it's going to look natural, and it's lightweight, so it's not going to be added uncomfortable weight. I cannot wait to show you how to crochet it. So it comes with 3 bundles, so really all you need is just a few packs. Again, I'm using 3 packs today to achieve my hairstyle. Because of the curly texture with the Bohemian Curl XL, the hair does expand, so I think about 3 packs should be fine. That's what I use in this tutorial. So the next thing you're going to need is a braid base, and it all depends on how you want to create your crochet style. I wanted to do a variety of styles, so I did straight backs. So I could do middle, to the side, and up in a ponytail. And of course, you're going to need your crochet needle to crochet the Bohemian Curl 3X by RastAfri into your braid base. So the way that I like to start is with my crochet needle open, and here's how it looks when you do that. You want to make sure you open the crochet needle just like that and close it once you loop the hair in. So let me show you right quick. You grab the hair, take a few strands of the RastAfri Bohemian Curl 3X, remember, you want to insert the needle into your braid base open so you can loop the hair into the needle, then close it to lock in the hair, pull the hair through your braid base, and then pull the hair through the crochet loop. And now the crochet is complete. So let's go ahead and repeat these steps. Bring the crochet needle open through your braid base, loop the hair inside the needle and close, pull it through the braid base, and then loop the hair. And that completes the crochet. Bohemian Curl 3X by RastAfri is curly and coily, so please take your time when separating the hair to begin your crochet to avoid tangling the hair. This style is super easy. Doesn't matter if you're advanced, very beginner friendly. All you need is your braid base, of course, your crochet needle, and you just loop the hair through. It's super easy. It's a great protective hairstyle, keeps your hair protected and super cute at the same time. As you can see, this style did not take long. It could take anywhere from 45 minutes to a little bit over an hour, depending how fast you crochet. All right, so now that the hair is done, let's go ahead and cut off some of the maybe longer areas or straggly areas to make the hair more even and shaped. And we're all done. Of course, cut to your liking. But again, this is Bohemian Curl 3X from RastAfri. I'm rocking F1B/27, but it comes in so many other colors and is available right now at your local beauty supply store. But I'm not done. I want to show you the different hairstyles that you could rock with RastAfri's Bohemian Curl 3X. Feel free to spread out the hair and spread the curls to make it even more voluminous, or just leave it as it is, because like I said, it's super coily and curly, but sometimes I like to go big. So of course you can rock the middle part, you can make it more sassy and do a part on the side, and you could take it up a notch by doing half up and half down in a ponytail. So again, the styles are endless, super fun, protective, curly cute hairstyle, Bohemian Curl 3X by RastAfri. Available now at your local beauty supply store. Once again, I'm rocking color F1B27 and I'm wearing 3 packs. Of course, be sure to follow RastAfri at RastAfri Braid. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, give this video a like and a comment. And be sure to like that notification bell so you don't miss alerts on future video drops. And be sure to follow their sister brand, Fashion Source Wigs, at FS_wigs. And of course, follow me, DJ Dimepiece. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.